리파가테 복신 가라가타 나야 레오파타
Sanbonan. First of all, I'd just like to say congratulations to his Kukune. And yeah, man, I just want to speak about the fact that, first of all, that who knew over to one day Kaizer Chiefs visiting Skokone will be one of the big fixtures somehow, yeah, but this season, like I would say, top four big games this season. It was Mamelodi Sundowns against the Pirates, Sundowns against Kaizer Chiefs, and Skokone against Ecos somehow, because some other fans it was like it is a title decider, what, even though the season has actually started. And yeah, this is the first video, by the way, ever since I opened this channel. I'm feeling humbled. It is the first time my team has lost, and somehow I just want to say, Guti, even though it is not like a great thing, even though I wouldn't wish for it, even though I was like, nah, we need to at least to get to 10 matches without like conceding any goals, continuing to be clean sheet FC and stuff, but like the reality is that at the end of the day we're going to be scored. And yeah, man, the last time I actually felt like this, it was when we were playing against SuperSport United, when we got whooped 4-1. And the moment, but I'm about quarter three, I was like, ish, I hope, I hope it is not one of those. I hope it is not that feeling again. I hope it won't just cause a chaos. And I just want to say to the Kosi faithful and the Kosi lovers, I know this is the game of emotions, but somehow I will say we needed this more than everything else to just set us back to a reality. I'm not saying good now it is a thing you're good still have a cause it's so loser wara but it is a thing you're good. We just need to go to like be realistic with like expectations to end. I I don't wanna say Gucci, maybe I will like the quality I'm just like good, like we're a better team at the end of the day today. Another way we'll have a corner, which I'm not gonna undermine, but I'll say congratulations to his Kukune because they outplayed available. Because it was the thing, the way they played, it was the thing. Gucci, but that are like aviator football, they were just looking at one Umakat, Marco, most of the time they said Liga Marco because of like height a disadvantage, and also Umakat because he's not that tall of a player, and then Hopper was just using that like big space available. This is all but he will use very big space with some Apolas also, and then yeah, that is how he got ama goals. And yeah, we got like Hinton, not at least. We got some we considered goals, maybe some from somebody who's a well-proven lethal striker, very Mzansi. And again, I just want to say, talk about the positives. I'm also happy that Flavio Silva Vele has scored because the guy has been getting a lot of criticism. And then there are people that will be like, nah, it was like he calls in 8-9-9. I believe it was never like Kumchita's position in that place as a strike. You can find me also a striker squad is good because there was a time I would find him in midfield and stuff, so I'll just leave to give Yabo credit also to Flavio Silva. But yeah, today the way the game actually went today, the credit it will obviously go to Uban Hoba because he finished most of our chances, and then to Flavio Silva, I'm just saying as a consequence because it is a thing I go to most of the time about last season we needed many chances which like to score, but like with Flavio Silva, he didn't even finish like 30 minutes so far, including the last game. Now this game including like a minute, about maybe 40 minutes. Anganto, no, not 40, but it is not more than like 80 minutes. I'm just if you know that it is not more than 80 minutes, if I'm being honest, and already the guy has gotten like 2 goals, which is something positive we can take from today. And then also we didn't have Monyani today. I don't know, maybe the boy is like injured and stuff, but yeah, if he's injured, I hope Utvelia recover available. And then yeah, we saw Oban Frosla, and then yeah, I believe it's like the team available played good. It was just vele mistakes la vele it is no I think each and every game sabana like mistakes because like Peterson will make those huge saves yabo, but it was like a mistake ezosikhombisa ukuthi like to open like our eye ukuthi like singabi like delusional about that much stuff. So as much as it is a game that we lost, but I believe it was like it is the game that we needed available to lose somehow, especially on a team that is on form. Because imagine if maybe we lost against the likes of Orbis College or Suwelele or Durban City, like there are teams now which they don't show like a threat about, and for the sake it was a match again. I'm saying it was a match that was like, nah, some of the people they were taking it as the title race and stuff. And me at the beginning of the season, my this season, I was like, for me, like top six, top five actually would be actually be good, yeah. But for I feel like it will be a great finish. I go to very obvious. I want the league and stuff, and yeah, the title race is still on. I'm a team that shaker. Also, I said it was like sometimes doesn't look that much trading. The only team I would say like it is playing the most beautiful football type of football. It is into Pagani. I'll give like them credit really this season the way they played and another way about considering a corner available. It was into like with some matches that it was the same way consider but on which Iban player very exceptionally more better available, not more better. What am I saying? It is more quick. I think like less system playing a corner, but now because we're seeing yahlangana uGatsheni he's actually doing some good job on my forward passes the way he's like a middle fielder also be like quick yabo. And then also Nyambos, I think right now it is a thing yokuthi ama-consequences they're starting to realize the importance of him available. And the thing engiphinde ngimnotice is that he's trying to push most of the time about maybe he's listening very to like especially when Magile wakhuluma vele nobo Dr. Khumalo and stuff. So yeah, he becomes more of like an A somehow. I just like the way I was pushing on. And again, what I say with Mandla, and I was a bit disappointed from like the goods they will try to play deep, but it was just the gameplay now and the Basebenzela. But if like they lost against us, I was gonna come here and be like, hey, was this cocoon about that you were just making a threat about stuff and yeah, I can't. I can also come and bring that, but like now I can't because what like my results need to be like okay. But when you check like everything, even like in our stats when the stuff they favored us, and then when obviously they scored very the third goal available, they were like nah, Siavala really move. So yeah, this match it was a match. You would see somehow we needed it to like set it back to reality. But this was going to be great. Well. This was going to be a great feeling because hey, winning a year in 20 piece, but winning a year in 20 piece, I don't wanna lie. Winning a year, especially from me, I know myself, but congratulations, neither than less. And this is the time I go to like feel like see, this is the time in which like a team like this is the time where you need to believe this is not the time to criticize because one of the main reason they pinned like there was too much criticism and then my players look at the likes of Boba and which they were killed by us and stuff. So this is not exactly the time. This is the time we speak up our boys. Be like, nah, we needed this game for like a character development. It was a game they like they control like emotions available. Wait, with like not our emotions with for us it was just character development with like players also about inside the pitch, but also just the match which like it was testing with my emotions well of like the players when they were playing inside the pitch. I didn't see much of Ubo Sereno available because most of the time Sereno when like the match willing go away the guy just becomes too frustrated and then after that also got to control his tempo and then also like Inacio Miguel always I saw a little piece of that but obviously you'll have that feeling but it was a thing Yoguti they didn't do that much about too much and then also like we just need to it was a game that made with like my players to control also like the emotions in terms of what don't try to make say save like it's me and stuff. So yeah, congratulations to Skukuni, they're on number one, on number three on the log. So far, still like this is the better season more than Lawa Mayama season before starting Inked. So there are a lot of positives that we can take on this game and yeah, our defense level they tested today, and Inacio Miguel, it was in a very good game for him because hey, I the boy, I'm chases because these strikers were too quick for him, and somehow I always believe I don't know very about maybe if he's like ngama facts or which it calculates your stuff, but through my assumptions. I was like the way Mampela I was like now Inacio Miguel is like the quickest available center backs somehow very kuyinto kwi-PSL, but I'm not, it is just some assumptions like some affects kusinto ukuthi mhlawumbe there was a speed test laphaya or anything yabo, so but the way developing ngakhona available, and also it is a thing which I'll have that somehow bias and be subjective. I often as a fan yabo, so yeah, congratulations to Skukuni, and yeah, basidle fluke, but congratulations. Makhosi awaphela umoya. This is the first analysis. I'm humble. So thank all.